In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily close background running apps on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and to show up apps running in the background, basically all you have to do is just swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen, just like that, and that's how you can easily see all the applications that are currently running in the background. If your iPhone have this physical home button here, then you need just to double click on it to head over to the same mode. And basically now, in order to close those apps, we just need to swipe up one by one, and that's how we can keep doing the same steps to close all the apps one by one. And also from here we can close several apps at once if we swipe up holding our fingers at two applications previews or windows. We can easily close several apps at once. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.